What up, guys? Today we are going to Dubai Safari. Yay! I don't know anything about Dubai Safari. Okay, I've never gone inside, nor have I researched anything about it. So it's pretty much going in with no expectations. I hope it's like Alain Zoo, but people are saying it's better than Alain Zoo. So like that stuff is there. So it's near Dragon Mart. If you know Dragon Mart, if you live in like UAE and all, you might know Dragon Mart. It's like a huge mart where you can find Chinese stuff and all. Yeah, I think it's beside that, like near to that area. I'll like film my way when we are going there. Uh, so it's like 9:10 right now. We got up in the morning and we decided to go like right now, because if we go in the afternoon, I don't think there's any purpose of going in the afternoon because it closes very early. So if you go in the afternoon, then there's very less time to explore and all. And it's a vast area. Okay, it's like huge. I've seen like some photos and all. It's really huge. So I hope it will be fun. I hope it's as good as people are saying, but I don't have any expectations. I just hope it's good. If it's anything can surprise me. Okay, so let's go there. My brother is behind the camera.
Hi.
So let's go. Oh, we reached.
Yeah, nice view.
Yeah, there are actually some people here. It's kind of crowded. Not that much, but still more than we expected.
I think when it becomes afternoon, it will be kind of crowded.
Yeah, probably. Oh, oh, the entrance. This is the entrance, guys.
It would be better if they put actual zebra instead of zebra crossing, right? Just with safari.
Wow, nice idea. Dubai Safari learned from Imad. Look at the ideas he's saying. Wow. Let's go inside and see. Guys, we got inside. We had to wait for some time. Bad news.
No safari, guys.
Yeah. Like there are two things. Okay, there is park. Like park is like, I guess it's a zoo, and then there's safari. Safari is like fully booked. We have to pre-book it. We have to pre-book it online.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we'll just explore the park, right? Safari will come some other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Safari.
yeah, that'll be like a part 2 of this Dubai Safari.
Let's see if we go. Not sure.
We have to come, and this place name itself is Dubai Safari. And if we don't get safari,
What's the use?
yeah.
Dubai Zoo.
So nice place, right?
Yeah.
Like there's this thing called as some African village or something. They're going there.
I don't know.
Yeah, look, African village. Yeah, look at the music.
It's African music.
Yeah. Where is the African village? Oh, look at this moisturizer. It's too hot, maybe that's why they're putting. Oh, there. Is that pelicans? Oh. There's not even much protection. They can come outside. Oh, can you see that? Like a big deer sitting there. There's only one or what?
What? There is 4 of them.
Oh yeah. Okay, fine, let's go. Oh, look at these turtles. Look how big this one. Oh my god. The snake section right now. full of venomous snakes. It's just that I can't see. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? What is this? Here also is there. You can see the scales, right? Skin. I can't see anything here. Ball python. Oh yeah, you can see in the corner. Staring at us. It's venomous?
Yeah, it's venomous. Yeah.
Oh my god. Literally.
It looks like a fake statue or something.
Venomous. Oh my god. It's python. How sharp is the skin, man? Look. You can see like the blade sticking out.
It's like a fish, that thing.
This is venomous, right?
Yeah, it's venomous.
my
It like
God.
puffs out. Where?
Look, you can see the face in between the bones.
Why does it look there?
It's non-venomous.
Okay, come on.
I think this is the biggest we've ever seen.
Come here.
Oh my god. Oh shit, it extends till here, man. Oh my god.
Probably the size of the star.
Yeah, it's so damn big. I think this is the largest we've seen so far.
It's not bad. It's dirty.
What is this? This is a chameleon, right? No, it's an iguana.
Dude, what is Dude, it came forward a bit, but we didn't do that.
Oh. Hey, what? Huh? What? Go sleep, man. Get lost.
It looks like a toy.
Yeah, we have a toy also. Oh, look, it's so small. Look at this.
Small alligator.
Look at this. Wow. It's non-venomous, by the way. Oh, this is the first one I've seen. It's moving at least.
Doesn't look like a toy.
What is this? Sudanese plated lizard.
What's up?
Hey, you want to say something in our vlog?
Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look at this. What is this?
Third eye.
It's a dragon.
Venomous.
Central bearded dragon.
Of course it's venomous.
It has like a hole in its ears.
That's a third eye they're saying.
Wow. Shoot, look at his eyebrows also.
Sharper eyebrows.
It's a viper and it's venomous. Oh my god.
There's a snake too.
Wow.
It's probably dead. Look at the other one. Is it dead?
Yeah, it's not moving also. Guys, your frog is dead. So you can see a spider, guys. Oh my god, looks extra. This looks more scary than the snakes, right?
Tarantula? Is it?
If this bites, no gone.
Yep, you're dead.
Tarantula. And it's venomous. Wow. So large. Move, man. He was moving just a minute back.
You think that's a toy because you're putting in YouTube. So.
Oh my god. Holy, oh my god. Dude, what is this? This is the biggest one. Oh shit. Himad. Will it come? It can break the glass, I guess. It's that big. Dude. This shocked me, seriously. My dad was like, if you want, you see, otherwise no need. If you're uncomfortable. Shit, man. Being near it is so haunting. Let's go. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, this is grossing me out, seriously.
It kills
Shit.
people with its tails.
Shit, no.
If it gets angry.
I'm actually shivering well because that snake scared the living hell out of me.
Guys,
If you thought that lizard was big, look at this. Oh my god, dude.
Up of the foot, zoom it in.
Oh my, I thought its leg was a separate animal.
I thought that thing,
Look, there are fishes and all inside. Oh, look, chameleon.
Why is it green?
It's like that movie Rango, right? Rango. Look at the way it looks, man. Exited the snake area, not because it's disgusting, okay? Just it's because it's over. We finished the entire thing. Oh, dude, that python is still giving me the chills, man.
Yeah, how big? I think it's not bigger than anaconda, but big.
Yeah, no, of course that's the biggest
Python.
snake I've ever seen.
No, that's but it's the largest python. They said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just like python is not venomous. It basically eats the animals.
Yeah. Now we are going to chimpanzee house.
Chimpanzee, gorilla, whatever, apes.
It's in Africa world, so
Yeah.
guys, I have a scientific thing.
This
to tell
entire
you.
thing is called as African village.
Yes, I have a scientific fact today. I didn't bark today, so don't say it to anyone. Don't write that in the comments, please.
Only 81 people will know that. Okay, bye. We'll meet you in the gorilla house, whatever. Entering the gorilla house.
Give
This
me
is
some
called
banana.
gorilla. Yeah. Get ready. What is this? For God's sake, what is this?
I think it is like
Is it like a baby ostrich or something? Baby peacock?
this thing. What is joking me out?
If you thought that was big, check this. Oh my god. Dude, it's trying to break the glass. Oh, look at the scratches. Look at the scratches. You can see the scratches, right? Guys,
I guess after 24
you
years.
want to see the full size of the creature? Ostrich. Sorry. Guys, what is this? This scared me for a minute. So this is where the gorillas are. Let's go see. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. King Kong is here, King Kong. My boy.
The old
King Kong.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Only two are there, I guess, right?
Don't show him his butt, okay? Or just dude.
What is it doing? Stand down. This is like
It is leaking fire first by showing its butt to us.
this is like War for the Planet of the Apes. Caesar.
But he died.
No spoilers. Oh my god. I got but you're scaring me for God's sake. Oh my god. What the hell is this? You scared me.
That's what it's like.
Oh my god. It came. What happened? What happened?
I don't know. He threw this few grass and threw it as he ran. Guys, ignore that. He's pooping. Okay.
Got out of the gorilla house.
The gorilla attack sequence. What is that? Why did you take that on camera?
Yeah, I was pointing it towards you.
Why? I'm not the gorilla. That's the gorilla.
I was thinking of what you'll say. What is here? Nothing?
Nothing.
I think it's some monkeys only, I guess.
The greenhouse.
Guys, this African village is only this much, so just imagine the entire thing.
I don't know how much levels is left.
Yeah. What is here? Come out, man.
Who is it?
Who knows? Is there any board?
I probably
Information
think
board?
it's a monkey. Dude, monkey. Dude, look, you can see it, right? It's a monkey.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, guys, it's somewhere. Oh, yeah, can you see that?
It's a monkey, guys.
Yeah.
It can come, guys.
Oh, yeah, it can come outside, guys.
But there's water, so they can't come. Here they can jump, right? Can they?
Okay,
Can
let's
you
see them.
It's a bonjo.
Oh my, that looks beautiful as well. Oh,
Is that a deer?
I've
It's a
never,
bonjo.
I've never seen that in my life.
It's a bonjo or bongo, I don't know.
Come here, boy. Bye, Africa village. They are going. Like, I have to accept it. They made it. They made it really beautiful. It's really good. We stopped to have drinks. Lychee. In this metro, through which we have to roam reach the next place. We can't walk. It's not walking distance.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds.
The safari area there. You can see those buses, right? That's it. Shit, man. We wanted to go to safari, but don't waste your time. We should not waste our time regretting about that. We'll come another time and just explore, I guess. Guys, can you see this auditorium area? Inside that, there's something called as a bird show. Okay, it's like I don't know. It's like a theater. Like if we would have reached 10 minutes earlier, then we would have got it. Now the next show is only at 3. So maybe after exploring everything at the last, we'll go here at 3. So now we are asking that guy whether we can get safari tickets. That guy said it's full, but we are keeping some hope because we can't miss the safari, man. The place's name itself is Safari, Dubai Safari. How can we miss the main thing? I can hear some stuff inside, right? Some big announcement or something. Man, it's only at 3, man.
What is it time?
It's 11. When we'll go back in the closing time. So we have time. I think the closing time is 6 or something.
That's it. 6 o'clock. Why?
Yeah, if we stayed late night, what is the use? No, we can't even see anything. We have some hope for safari. That guy said that he upgraded something or he restarted the system and he saw that some tickets are left. So we are leaving. I hope. Oh God. We're waiting. My dad went to check if the tickets are available for safari. There's one problem. I lost my ticket. I don't know where it is. Oh my God. Let's see. I'm not sure about it. But I lost my ticket, man. Imad, I lost my ticket.
Who cares? That's your fault.
So what if I don't get the ticket for safari?
I don't know.
Then 3 tickets are enough. Then you don't go. You stay here. We got safari tickets. Yay! Oh, I didn't expect that.
Guys, he has to stay in here living with gorillas.
Why?
Because we don't know if you can exit. Because you have no ticket left.
We got safari tickets. Yes, my dad somehow pleased the guy and he got it. Yes, I'm happy now. Let's go. Guys, so this is the end of vlog 1. Part 1 of Dubai Safari.
Yeah.
So part 2 I'll post in a few more days. Yeah, give me time till Thursday, I'll post it.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it. We'll meet you there. Sorry, we'll meet you in the next vlog. And yeah, signing off. Bye.